What's poppin', gang? Listen, man, listen. So, let's install this. And you're probably wondering, what is this? About to show you. So, let's discuss what we got real quick. I'm gonna show y'all. It's nothing crazy, nothing elaborate, something simple, you know, kind of make your ride yours. But, so, you got, let me count how many I actually got right here. 2 total. So, this long one right here sits in the door sill. This one, the little small 300S joint, that sits in the same exact spot except at the back door. So the idea that I kind of went with, and you can kind of put 2 and 2 together. I got a white car, white paint, black decal with the white paint under. So it's going to look exactly like this, but except, you know, we'll get to that. We'll get to that. So I'm going to use something a little simple. Go ahead and open that up. So for people that detail cars, granted mine is pretty filthy, but for people that do this, if y'all are not cleaning the door jambs, you're wrong as shit. But yeah, let's clean this thing. And I'm not worried about no overspray or none of this. In this little area right here, it's literally just a door seal. So grab my towel and get that up real quick. Got the towel. So this is one of my just regular ass detailing towels, but get all of that up. See how much dirt we got. Decent amount. So the goal of this is remove all your damn, as they call it, contaminants and dirt and debris and so on and so forth. So with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and hit that again just to make sure that I got it all. Let me switch hands real quick. Now that that's done, I kind of got a habit of running my damn hands across it to make sure there's nothing else there. But yeah, so we're good. Let's grab this right here. Don't necessarily feel the need to, because it's literally for your door seal. It serves no other purpose except to cover your door seal. So now if you're standing up, that's what it looks like. And I got a little bubble right in the clear. So granted, like any other decal or anything else that you find yourself doing, gotta let stuff cure, bubbles will go away. Or if you want to rush it and do it the right way, get a heater gun. Heat it up as you're doing it, stretches out, gets rid of all of this. Or you can use lubricant. I just prefer to not do it like that. But move on to the back one. All right, so this is the back one. I don't really know how I feel about this one being short, but man, it's cool. I ain't gonna really say too much about it because for the price I paid, can't really complain. Now, granted, this is just an experiment, just to see how it comes out. I kind of like it. It's just that one is super short. But it's not bad, I guess. I don't know. It ain't bad. So I'm gonna knock out the other two, the other front and the other back. Then I'm gonna give y'all some B-rolls of it. So let me just say this to y'all. I'm not the average, or no, let me not say that. Wrong term. I'm not the big car guy YouTuber like, let's say, Mr. Organic, who I fucking admire and respect. Great fucking YouTuber. Tall Guy Car Reviews. Great fucking YouTuber. $392. A little different. Love that dude as well. Watch all his videos. Car Reviews with Foosh. Another one. Man, I can go on and on. Swole 300S actually. Fellow veteran too. But I can go on and on. But these guys that I'm calling out are specifically appealing to everyday people. Not the 1%ers, the rich people. They're appealing to everyday people like me and you actually. That's my category, that's my lane, that's my niche. So the goal that I'm trying to meet is to give y'all content / ideas and just creativity and inspiration, but for the average person. These aren't expensive things. My engine, however, that's a little different. That's actually gonna go up in price and value. That's different though. But yeah, it's to give the everyday person some ideas and creativity, man. And just to let y'all know, you ain't gotta go out, wrap your car this week, remove it, wrap it the next week, remove it, trade it in, new car, new wheels. You ain't gotta do all of that to be happy and make your car look good. Do simple shit. Do the stuff that I'm showing you, or do something different. But you don't have to break your pockets to make your car look good and feel good about your car. I promise you don't. Cause me, it's a bad motherfucking 300, man. Like, simple as that. Simple as that. Whether I pop the hood and show the hydro dip that I did, or the tires, the headlights, the tail lights, the inside trim wrap, whatever the case, man, to me this is a badass car. But it all came from little, I can't say inexpensive, but somewhat inexpensive ideas and purchases. Y'all can do the same thing, man. Let me be the example. Do better than what I'm doing, actually. If you fucking got something better than what I'm doing, goddamn, show me. But on that note, man, I'm out. I'm home. Got to take a shower, get out of this uniform, and yeah, catch y'all in the next video, man. Thanks for watching. If you made it thus far, that's just a little bit of motivation and inspiration to get up off your ass and do something. To me, do something with my car. That's me. And yeah, I'm out of here. Y'all stay safe, stay out the way. Hopefully I inspired and motivated some of y'all. I see the comments. I can't get to every single one, but I see them. People are buying the stuff that I purchased, asking for new ideas. Hey man, what's your link for this and that? I see it. I can't get to all of them just yet, but I will. I promise you I will. But yeah, I'm gonna end this video right here, man. Till the next time. Another budget mod on the way, but then I also got 3 expensive ones that are in the works. So yeah, we out of here, y'all. Listen, man, subscribe if you're new, drop a like on the video if you like what you saw, and drop a comment below on what you thought about the video and any new ideas that y'all have or things that you've done to your car. And yeah, we out.